So last class we had discussed about what are the way, how to, what is the session scope. Interview also most of the people they asked what is the session scope and what is the user scope and what is the system scope. Session means login to log out. Session means login to log out is nothing but session and user means only within the user we can access the variable. Outside user we cannot access. Outside the user we cannot access. And the system scores means if we declare any variable system and so that variable can be used other users also. Okay. So that is very very important. Instance is destroyed, deleted. Let me create one new instance. Amazon Linux 822 and C2 micros. Key name, new key pair, class. Okay, just create file and so remain save only. Okay, just next click on the launch instance. Okay. So this is the very very important last class we discussed, right? Anyone any doubt? What is the session scope, user scope, system scope? Yeah. So today we'll see continuation how it will work. So this is mostly we are using and also command line arguments. So interview mostly they asked hash dollar, so dollar hash, and what is the dollar star dollar at. We'll see this one later and how to get that arguments, how to print that arguments and all. Command line means while running your file, if you pass any arguments, so that is nothing but command line arguments. Can you see my screen? My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir, visible.
Visible. Okay. Now to this one. Now go to here. Click on connect instance. And where is this? That says client. Copy this one. Before that, where is my PM file? Go to download. Where is my PM file? Right click here. Right click. Open git bash. Open git bash. Or else copy this one. Copy this one. Paste it into my folder. Specific folder. Okay. Now right click. Open git bash. And so now let me copy that one. Control C, go to here, paste it. Okay, Control plus plus. Now, so already, so last class we created, right? So that one system and so system and user and variables. Variable means etc profile file. Variable means VCT slash profile. Profile under the file we need to declare. And command line means while creating the file under. First, let me create one file. VA test dot test dot ss file. Okay. Now insert as explanatory mark slash bin. Script is executing bash only. And so here you go. Whatever you want, so we can print it. Escape colon x save it and how to run slash bin and I'm running bash mode bss bash space dot slash test. Okay, now it is printing. Now come to here. Now last class already we discussed, right, what is command line arguments. The arguments which are passed from the command prompt at the time of execution, at time of executing our script, that is called command line. And mostly we are using also this and all hash dollar hash and these are for printing purpose and how to find this and all. Now if you go here, what is difference between so dollar at and dollar star? So here you see, right, both are same only. See, all arguments. If you want to print, so all arguments, so that case we are using dollar star and dollar at. Now see, observe here. So all command at means all command line arguments with the space separator. And star means all arguments command line in a single string. In a single string, we can read. So single string also we can use. See here, this is the main difference. All command line arguments with the space separator. We need to give some space separator and we are printing. I don't want like that. So that case, if you want to print, so that case we are using all command line arguments with single character like this. Dollar one, C, dollar two, C, dollar. This is the so here C is the first character of the internal field separator, that is IFS, with the help of it is printing. It is printing. It is the printing. If you want to, we can check it here. Just create. This is a small only. If you want to without space, without with space, without here we are making space separator. We are printing, right? If you want to print multiple things, we are giving a space separator. Now see here. Now vi test dot ss file insert. Now here I am giving so echo all arguments. Whatever we are passing, same thing we can pass here. So this is the number of arguments echo number of whatever you want we can print it. Of arguments dollar. What is the number of arguments? Dollar hash. If you want to print a number of arguments, this is the print double quotation. Now you go print. So dollar. What is dollar one? You go script name. If you want to print a script name, dollar zero. Script name. Okay, dollar zero. We are using like this. Remaining story. And now I am using so echo. Now see here. I am using so this one. I am using this one. I am printing like this. I am printing like this. Whatever you want with the help of separator. With the help of separator. So with the help of a separator, I am using mm, arguments. So we are using whatever you want, we are passing directly, comma separated. So if you don't want directly, we can give like this also. If you don't want so directly, we can give so like this also. Now see here, escape. Only I given space only. Here we given space only. That's it. Escape, colon, x. So this is the first argument. This is the second argument. This is the third argument. Whatever arguments you want, just we can give like this only. Just we can give so like this only. Now, just run it. Bash, win bash. Now here I am not passing any arguments. Now I am passing. This is shell I given. Now see here, number of arguments. How many arguments I passed? Three. And what is the first argument? This, the THX. And this is the, we can give dollar one, dollar two, dollar three, like this we can pass. So like this we can pass. So instead of passing like this, star means at means one. We are printing one only. So with the separator. If you don't want like this, we can give like this also. We can give like this also. Dollar one C, dollar two C, dollar three C. Like this, if you want to print, we can use this is the internal field separator. This is the C. C represents first character of the internal field separator. We can use that one. We can use so that one. So both are same only. Both are same only. So instead of passing like this, now I am giving like the here, right? Cat space test dot sh. Here I have given also one space, a dollar two space. And this is the argument, right? First argument, second argument, third argument. Instead of passing like this, we can give like this dollar double quotation dollar dollar one C dollar two dollar three like this we can print it small letter. C is internal identifier like this we can print it dollar four. That's it. What is the main difference? If anyone asking. Now this is the how to check. So this is the IFS internal field separator. If you want to set, we can set this is also. If you want to give a tab, by default it is a space only. If you want to set, we can tab and slash and. So if you want to set something, we can set like this also. If you want to set something, we can set also whatever you want. But mostly no one is asking. Just try it. Now Now, last time they asked, so this one also. I want to write a one shell scripting file and print the log file based on current data. So, previous interview they asked this scripting. Write a one small shell scripting, write a some small shell scripting, and they want to create log file based on data, based on data. You know, right? So what is the current date? First class already we discussed. So if date means it will give full right. Wednesday, Jan, 3rd, and this is the timestamp and UTC and year and all. So they want to create one file and based on current data. Based on current data. So what is the date today? 3/1, right? 24. What is the command? Linux command. Already first class we discussed it. If you know that the Linux command, we can easily write a shell scripting. Tell me. So how to create? First, if you want to create any file, what is the command? On file, they want
touch.
you to touch. TOUCH touch. Next, file name. Which file you want to? For example, I want to give a sample file name. Okay. Next. So which pattern you want to print? Whether underscore or hyphen, whatever you want, we can give. I am giving underscore. Okay. I am giving also underscore. Next command. Hmm. First class we discussed, right? I want to print. I want to create one empty file with data. So generally we are giving like this sample.log. We know, right? It will print the file. There is no doubt. Sample.log file. But I want to add date for this file. That's it. Now tell me anyone, what is the command? అర్థమవుతుందా కార్తీక్? క్లియర్? సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి శాంపుల్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ అయింది విత్ లాగ్. ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ షుడ్ బి లాగ్. సేమ్ వే వీ వాంట్ యాడ్ డేట్ హియర్. మర్చిపోయినారా? ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ డిస్కస్ చేశాం కదా. డేట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ లైక్ దిస్. డేట్ ప్లస్. నౌ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Day means date. M means month. Same. Now see here. Date plus. Okay. So same format. Whatever you want, so we can. So percentage. Even if you go this document starting, we can see that data here. That hyphen F date plus. Here log with the file. Date somewhere. First file also we see, right? Date command. Now see here, this is the date command. How we are printing. Same date plus this is a plus d small d we can use to print only date values to display only date values. Same we are adding to file only. Same we are adding to file only. Same we are going to add only file only. See here date plus percentage d date hyphen month hyphen this is the year full year it will display. So now see here this is right. Already we seen same thing. So what is here? They want to write one shell scripting and print the create the one file, create the one file, and we need to add a date and log also. Now clear. If you go here, if you give means now what is file it will create. So this is the file name. This is the file name. Whatever you want, we can give file name. This is the file name. So for example, I want to give a file. And if you need underscore, I am giving underscore dollar date plus this is the date, month, year, log. That's it. Now see here, ls. Now created or not? See here, same way. This is the last time they asked. We need to create one shell script program and they want to create one file. And the extension should be date and the extension should be log also. Same. Now created VA test VA and test date dot ss file. Insert. What is the first line? Hash exclamation mark slash bin bash. This is same only. Shebang bash. Okay. Now give anything. Echo. Whatever you want, you can give. Just whatever you want. Now write it. You use touch space. Touch space. What is the file name? I am giving. For example, DevApps underscore underscore dollar. What is the date? Dollar. Same command. Whatever we given here, same command. So same command. Now tell me. So here date. So you want to print underscore or date, whatever you want, we can give it. So date plus percentage D percentage M percentage capital Y means full and extension. Which extension you want? Log file. Anyone any doubt here? Same here. Whatever we are passing, same thing we can give it. So this is the file name and this is the syntax. So every time while file is creating, extension should be it will add it like this. Now escape. That's it. Escape colon X. This is very simple one, right? So slash bin bash. I am executing file name. What is the file name? Dot slash test date date dot sh. Now see here file created. This is echo, right? Now check it. File really created or not. Now see here DevApps date month year only one line. But Linux command means one line. But shell means just create one SS file and add as exclamation mark and then whatever you want we can write it. Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir, clear.
So last time they asked this one. Write one sample, one simple shell scripting program via shell to create a file and date. Extension should be date and log file. That's it. Log file. Okay. So now same way how to create and all can check it. Now go to here. That's it. Print to prompt. Now one more important one. Tell variables already done. Where change the path and all. Now how to read data dynamically. Command line arguments this and all. Now very important, how to read data dynamically. Dynamically means I want to read data dynamically. How to read it? Now see here, read data dynamically. So as of now, everything I am passing inside my script only, right? Now I want to read how to data read dynamically from the user. Now see here, this is my file. See here, I am going to read. If you give like this, vi test dot sh file. Okay. Now here everything I am passing here, right? I am printing something. Okay. I don't want like this. I want to read data dynamically. Command line. Not here. I want to. So runtime user want to pass some data. Now how to pass it means, for example, I am giving x value. X equal to 10. Here I am passing hard coding, right? Y equal to 20. Very simple only. Now if you want to print echo x value is dollar $x $x, and so echo I am printing y value is dollar. This is the syntax, right? How to read y value. I hope everyone know. Now here data already I given in the script. I don't want like this. Runtime I want to give the data. Slash bin bash dot slash test dot sh file. Now what is problem? Test dot sh, right? Okay. Now see here, x value 10, y value 20. So now I passed this value already in my script. I hard coded, right? I don't want like this. I want to pass this data runtime. User need to pass it. Clear, Karthik? User need to pass. How to pass? So this is the read. See, by using read keyword, we can read data dynamically, dynamic data from the end user. If you want to read data, so that case we can use so that values. Now see here, simply I am using a read of, for example, a comma b, a space a comma b value I am passing. A comma b value, a a space b, two values. Here I am passing a equal to 10, 100, b equal to 200. Now I enter dynamically. Now print it, echo dollar, echo dollar a value. See here, a value 100, echo dollar b value. So what value it will print? 20. Now read means read data dynamically from end user. I am the user. If you want to enter data dynamically, any data, I don't want. See here, read dynamic data. So that case we go for so read keyword, which is the keyword read keyword. Without prompt message, it will read. Now with prompt message, we can print like this. Now prompt message. Without prompt message, we can print like this. See here, did I ask any prompt? Please enter like this and all. Clear, Karthik? This is the read is the one keyword. With the help of read keyword, we can read data dynamically. Runtime. End user. End user. End user means now I am the user. I am entering the data. So for example, read name. Now we can pass any name. For example, see here. I given like this, Karthik. Now if you want to print echo user name, user name is now dollar. What is the variable name here? This is the name. This is the name. We need to call that one. Now see name, correct or not? NA read card. Single quotation close missed. Okay. Now see here. Now see here Karthik. Anyone any doubt? What's Shankar? Clear? If you want to read data dynamically, so that case we go for read keyword. Now I need prompt also. prompt. I want to pass multiple values. So that case, we can use this way. Now see here, I'm going to create one file. Okay, retest.sh file, insert dollar mark slash bin bash. Okay, now here I'm using a same. If you want to give prompt, echo, see here, echo, enter a value colon at a value colon double quotation. And what is a variable name? We can give something. We can give, I want to give some prompt and read a echo, same program only, enter b value and read read b. Here variable is a b. Next, I want to print, right? How to print? Echo a, a value is dollar a. Okay, echo b value is colon dollar b. Now anyone any doubt here? With prompt, first it is asking enter a value. We are passing something and it is reading the store into the a, and enter b value. I am passing, just I am printing. Clear, Karthik? Any doubt here? Previous and now same only, but here we added extra lines. I want to ask every time enter a value, we are passing something, enter b value, we are passing something. And so a value store into the, that whatever we are passing it store into the a, and whatever we are passing second time store into the b. Just I am printing. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come to here at learn run. If you practice, this is very simple only. Now what is the file name? So r test, right? Slash bin slash bash space dot slash r test. Now see here, enter a value. I am passing, so for example 20. Now enter b value. I am passing 50. Now see here, a value is 20, b value is 50. Just I am printing. This is the one way. This is the one way. Now same way, if you want to, this is very simple only. Now try it. Now I want to see. Now what is this second approach? Now we can give like this also. Read hyphen p. Read hyphen p. Now I given see here. This is second approach. Everything same only. Here I given only read, right? Here I given a read hyphen p. Enter a value. I given here also a value. So this is the path. Same. Now I given same program. See, va r test read test 1.txt. Sorry, sh file, right? Now insert as bin bash as exclamatory mark bin slash bash. Now I'm giving see, read hyphen p, enter a value is colon. I'm giving so what is the variable name? I'm giving a. Next, read hyphen p enter read. Okay, hyphen p enter b value is, what is the variable name? B. Now I'm printing echo a value dollar a. Both are same only. Output same only. Echo B value. Dollar $B. That's it. Now see here. Read -p path, enter a value. Whatever we are passing, I am stored into the A. And read -p, enter B value. I am passing something, it is stored into the B value. And I am printed. Escape colon X. Now see here. /bin /bash dot /r test1 dot sh file. Now see here, it is asking enter a value. I am giving so 40. Now enter B value. I am giving a 70. Now see here, A value is 40, B value is 70. Same only. Here read -p path. So here it is asking same, right? Now this is the second approach. Now same thing we can give whatever username password also. If you want to, we can give username password also we can give. Now I'll add same thing only. So now vi test1. So I want to enter username password. I want to enter username password. Okay. Now how it will work? Insert. I am removing this one. See here. -p. Enter user name. Enter username. So uname. I given something uname. Next. Read -p. Enter read -p. Enter password. Enter password. Okay. Now I given something my password. Okay. Echo. Just I given dollar. What is the variable name? Uname. Next echo password. Dollar mpwd. My password. That's it. Now see here. Escape colon X. Now execute it. Now see here. Enter username. So enter username. For example, I given Shiva. Enter password. Okay. DevOps. Now see here. So password same. Whatever we are passing, it is printing. I don't want like this. Password means this is the right? Some secret, right? Some sensitive data. I don't want print password same number same whatever we are passing. I don't want the same format. I want to encrypt that same thing. So that case we need to use -s. So that case we can use it hides input on the screen. It hides input on the screen. I don't want this. So that case we are using -s. -s means hide input on the screen. Hide input on the screen. Now got it. Now whatever we are passing, it is printing. We are passing DevOps and it is printing DevOps only. I don't want like this. This is a password, right? I want to hide. I want to hide. So that case we need to use what is the -s. See here. Here I given. So here I given Rama. Whatever you are passing. So I am printing everything. I don't want like this. I want to do something. Hide. How to do VI?
The screen not visible.
Not visible. What happens? Right? I stop again. I am sharing. Now can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see here. Here this is password is this is the some sensitive data, right? I don't want display here. I want to hide. I want to hide. So how it will do? So that case we need to use hyphen s. This is guys. Sorry. Read. Now go to here for password s. Hyphen s. Hyphen s means hide. See here. Hyphen s means hide. I don't want display. That case we can use hyphen s. Hide. That's it. Now go to here. Now check it here. Escape colon x. Now bin bash. Now execute it. Now enter name. Okay. Enter name. Now I given password. Now see here. I am typing something. Can you see my password? I am typing something. Can you see my password? మీకు కనిపిస్తా ఉందా?
No, sir.
No. Now see here, it is printing. So whenever we read, we can read that one. We can read. That case, we can use hyphen s. Hyphen s means hide the data. Hide the data. If we don't want see console level, it hides input on the screen. Whatever you are passing in our screen, I don't want. So that case, we can use hyphen s. That's it. Now read data from the whatever you want, just try it. This is only for your purpose. Just try same how to write and all. Now this and all right. Next is operators. I hope everyone know plus addition. Plus means addition. This is the subtraction, multiplication, division model. Modulo operator. So arithmetic operator. So some case mostly we are using this one also. If you want to add something, we need to use addition, right? If you want to subtract, we need to use hyphen. So this is the operators. So now there is some relational operators also is there. That is the greater than means right symbol. MS Paint. In mass right greater than. Greater than in cell scripting we need to use this symbol only. Directly we can't use greater than and all. So this is the greater than, right? So greater than means here we are using hyphen gt greater than. So this is the hyphen gt greater than. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, right? So greater than or equal to. In cell scripting we are using, so this is the hyphen ge greater than or equal to. Now less than, here we are using hyphen le less than or equal to, less than or equal to, we can use here I this is the le, right? So less than lt, sorry, not le, lt. Here le means less than or equal to le. Okay. Now equal to, now see here, equal to is equal to, we can use hyphen eq. Is equal to means we are using hyphen eq. Hyphen eq is equal to. Now this is the not equal to hyphen ne. Right? So not equal to hyphen ne. Not equal to means hyphen ne. This is the not. This is the symbol. Now boolean and all we are using a true and false. For boolean operators mostly we are using true. True means positive. Negative means false. For booleans and all. So these are the mostly in shell scripting we are using this one only. Somewhere if you see any shell scripting, so mostly they are using. See how to compare two numbers and numbers in shell shc shell script. Now see here they are using some syntax. See here equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than or equal to. Now if you see here they are using something. Now see here if dollar a greater than equal greater than dollar b, then who can find thing. Now what is this here? Hyphen gt means greater than. Hyphen gt means greater than. In shell scripting we need to use this one, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, see equal to hyphen eq. So these are the same. equal, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Clear, Karthik? Any doubt here? Now going forward, I am using same thing only. We can easily understand. So mass we are using these symbols, right? In so mass we are using these are the symbols. In shell scripting we are following this is the pattern. How we are comparing, this and all. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay. Now come to here small scripting we can easily understand. Now these are the operators, logical operators, and or not. You know, right? Mostly in electronics we can see and or not. And means if both are true, it returns true. Or means if anyone is true, it returns true. Not means if both are false, it returns false only. This is the and or not. And means if both are true only, it returns true. Now or means if anyone is true, it returns true. Logical or means this is the and. Now assignment operators equal. This is same. If you all, I hope everyone know, right? Basic maths. Same only. Perform mathematical operations. Expression keywords, how it will work. Now see here, they read A value and they read B value. And if they want to print something, so we can use, this is the EXP, expression keyword. See here, this is the EXP keyword and using let keyword also and using these brackets also or using this one also, flower brackets, square brackets. So this is the, so to perform mathematical operations, so we can use this way or we can use this way or we can use a let keyword or we can use so expression keyword also. Anything that is your wish. Except assignment operator, for all operators we have to provide space before and end of the operator. Except assignment operator, for all operators we have to give some space space, before and after the operator. This is the note. Okay. Now if you want to print anything, we can use like this also. We can use like this. Now let me write one sample program how it will work. See here, va add dot ss file. Okay. Insert dollar exclamation mark slash bin bash. Now I want to read two values. Tell me, what is this? Read hyphen p. I want to read the data hyphen. Enter a value. Okay, enter a value. This is the a. Read hyphen p. Enter b value. This is a b. How to print this one? Echo a value. Just dollar a, variable name a. Next echo b value. Dollar b. Anyone any doubt here? Up to this, Karthik, clear? Just I read the two values and just I printed. Now escape colon x slash bin slash bash slash, what is this? Add file name dot sh. A value 10, b value 20. Just I read, I printed. I read the data, I printed the two variables. Now I want to add addition, some operation. How to do it? Now observe here. Now I'm using a sum equal to, I am giving sum equal to. Now I'm using simply, so a b. Now echo, just I given something. Okay, dollar, what is the variable name? Sum. That's it. Escape colon x. Now just check it. Enter a value 30, b value 50. I given. So what is this? Anything missing? I think we missed something. Dollar space we need to give assignment operator. So here already we noted, right? Before and after we need to give except assignment operator. Before all the operators, we have to provide space before and after the operator. Everything we have to give. Before, after, this is a sum by using. Okay. I missed a dollar also. I missed a dollar also. I need to read A value, B value, right? I missed a dollar also. Okay, now print it. I got it. I missed something. Now here, what is this? Dollar. We need to insert, go to here, dollar. Okay, dollar A, and this is a B value. This is different ways we can sum it. Now see here, by using square brackets, sum equal to dollar A plus B. So sum equal to dollar A plus B. So this is the smaller, or we can give space. Let me try it. So let's try it. So now A equal to, before sum equal to, I given dollar A plus B. Now I print sum, sum, correct only. Now check it. Now dollar, enter B value 20, 30. Now see here, sum of value equal to 50. Sum of value equal to 50. So there is multiple ways we can do. So whether we can use this pattern, we can use square brackets, or we can use this parenthesis also, or we can use a let keyword also, or we can use so expression keyword also. So there is multiple ways we can operate the operator arithmetic these operations and all. These and all arithmetic operators and all, we can follow these many ways. Now I follow this one. This is the simplest way. Or else we can follow like this also. Or we can follow using let keyword also. Or we can use expression keyword also. But all are same only. Output is same only. But different ways we can find the output. Clear, Karthik? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose if you are using expression. Now see here, expr. This is the expression. So sum equal to. So we can. This is the syntax. We can follow like this also, or we can use this way also. We can follow. See here, dollar. So sum equal to dollar A plus B. Sum equal to, both are same only. But that is your wish. Whatever you want, we can follow. Let me add same thing, and I am using insert. I am using sum 1 equal to dollar. Now I am using A plus B. We can follow like this also. Now see here, we can follow like this also. We can follow like this also. Or else we can follow like this also. Dollar A and dollar B. Whatever you want. Now see here. Let me check it. Okay. Escape. Now I need to print, right? Someone echo dollar sum someone. But output same only. Escape colon X. Now A value 40, B value 20. So now see here. Now clear. But output is same only, and we can perform that operation multiple ways. Whether we can follow this way, or we can follow this way, or we can follow let keyword, or we can use expression keyword also. Whatever you want, we can follow. These are the very simple compared to these two. Clear? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now we'll use this one also, expression and let keyword. So expression means this is the syntax. So it starts with single quotation, expr, read A value plus read B value, and end, and print that value. Or else we can use like this also.
Or if you use let keyword, let equal to sum, a plus b, echo that. We can use whatever you want, that is your wish. I am using all these things same for one program. Okay. Now go to here, VA. Okay. Now I am using one more thing. Okay. So insert or else work. Okay. Now sum, expression sum, sum equal to. So we can follow this pattern. Whatever we want, we can follow. We can follow whether it this way or this way. This is simple, right? XPR dollar dollar. So same dollar. Next, inside this we need to write EXPR space dollar A. What is that value? First value dollar A and plus dollar B. We need to give space also. Dollar first variable. What is the variable name? A. Where it is? It is not printing. Dollar A space plus dollar B. Okay, dollar B. That's it. Dollar A plus dollar B. Now print that value. How to print it? Echo E expression some value. E is some value is whatever you want. We can use dollar E sum. Now same way let keyword L sum. I am using L sum. L sum. L sum equal to. So what is the syntax? We can follow. This is let also. Let keyword. Let sum equal to a plus b, or we can follow let sum equal to. We can give same like this. Now, so let sum. Let the L sum equal to. This is a variable. I am storing here. Now I am coming to here. Whatever we want, we can follow. Same thing. We can a plus b, or we can use dollar a plus dollar b. Both are same only. I am using dollar dollar a. Next dollar b. Now I'm using print echo echo L sum. L sum value is dollar. What is the variable name? L sum. I stored into the this one. That's it. Escape colon save and quit the file. Now clear the screen. Now check it. Now enter A value 10. Enter B value 20. Now see here. This is the I am using square brackets. This is parenthesis. This is the expression value. This is the let keyword value. Now output is same or not? Output. Is there any difference? Karthik. We used four ways I printed. I added some. So but output is same or not? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Same,
So
same,
output
sir.
is same only. We can use anyone. So whether we can use expression key, whether we can use expression, or whether we can use a let keyword, or we can use parenthesis, or we can use square brackets also. But we have to follow syntax. We have to follow syntax. The simplet mostly we are using this way. These two are very simple only compared to these two. So if we have any complex and all, mostly we are using expression keyword. Mostly we are using expression keyword. So if you do small, we can easily understand so complex also. Okay. And so this is the BC command. BC means binary calculations. BC means binary calculations. And so this is the script for floating point arithmetic operator. If you want to pass any floating values, and that case we can use this one. Next class we'll see how it will work and all. Okay. Now this is the control statements. So anyone any doubt?